Hey, good morning, guys. Tim in San Diego here. Early Saturday morning. Thought I'd come in and get a little bit of stuff done. Got some recycling, a little bit of arranging stuff. This is a continuation of that car video that I shot the failed clutch in the other day. I just took it up for steam cleaning up to Miramar, Marine Corps Air Station. You know, I can use that base because I'm Navy retired, and it's one of the only places in the county where you can legally do steam cleaning so it doesn't go down the drain into the gutter, down the river, and to the beaches. People don't like swimming in oil and grease, so it's a legal place to do it. I love to use that place up there and get a fresh start. The reason I did it on this car here is because we had some oil leaks, and it was so bad we couldn't tell where they were coming from. So I could have spent half an hour, shooting brake cleaner and wire brush, blah blah, but I just take it to Miramar and get it all a fresh, clean slate. And I want you guys to see this, what it looks like when I get done with this car. And now we've discovered where the oil leaks are coming from. Watch this. This is the gas tanking up in. That is factory clean undercoating. You can see the shock so clearly, and filter all up in there. Look at the brass colored fittings. This is a Southern California car, so we are very, very fortunate to work on cars that are pretty much rust free, pretty much. You can see all the factory paint on there when they've tightened this stuff up, 14mm sway bar. But look at the condition of this undercoating. It's just almost perfect. It's wonderful to see it all. All the fuel lines are clean here. That's supply, return, and gas tank vent. At some point the car got a little bit of trauma right here, ran over something, and didn't quite reach the floorboards. But coming up in now, you can see the oil pan real well, and you can probably see the sheen right here. This is one of the things I was looking for. That's an oil leak at the rear main. Not such a big deal because this is the car that we discovered had the bad clutch. So we'll do that concurrently with the rest of that work. So all up in here, we had questions about the oil leaks over on this side, and I just don't see much of anything here. We did the cam housing on this car a couple years ago. Gasket still looks, oil pan gasket still looks fine up in here. Here's the bracket for the power steering. Had a little bit of oil there the other day, but like I said, we couldn't tell where it was coming from. OPRV is clean, OP setting unit's good, oil cooler is good. So now we've taken care of a lot of the mess that was in our way of discovering. This car has nice straight longitudinals here. Never had a crash. This is all cleaned up. That nice Kalahari beige. I love seeing these cars in good condition. And now we've cleaned the filth out of it. You can actually see the car. I got the wheel wells all nice and clean too. So really nice service that I'm happy to provide for people. I get completely filthy doing it, but it's so worth it because we get the whole car pretty much clean and just fresh start, clean slate, and wonderful to work on a car. If we do end up doing the clutch on this car, which I think we're going to do, then it'll be so much easier to work on. I won't have to clean the oil and dirt out of my tools as I'm going along. Still gonna do a little bit of work on the CVs right there. We'll get those things all prettied up, 360, and that's nice though. But look at this guy. Tranny's just got this coating of Cosmoline on it from the factory. So there's your nose cone with your 5th gear in it. Here's your gear carrier assembly with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Here's the rest of the case right here. Output shafts, all ready to be worked on. Okay, so it's pretty good results. Pretty good results for that steam cleaning. Now it's so clean and easy to work on and see everything. The more you clean, the more light reflects back inside the whole assembly carrier back here. It's wonderful. So talk to you guys later.